Today we will look at the Z image workflow. With Turbo Detailer, why is this great? We can use negative prompts. And with the CFG of 4, we get very good prompt adherence. The final image is polished with Z Image Turbo. This gives us a high definition, crisp, clean image. The original image uses Z Image Base. A refiner with Z Image Turbo adds more detail and realism. Now let's look at some example comparisons. This is another image created with Z Image Base on a sunny afternoon. With Turbo Detailer, the face detail and realism increase. Look at the tiny hair strand details. It feels like a high-definition image. Remember the Z Image Turbo Fantasy painterly image of an Asian woman. Using the same prompt with Z Image Base creates an anime painting style image. I added the word realistic, but it still generates a painterly style image. Then I added Turbo Detailer. This brings the image back to realism. The result is a semi-realistic soft image, a blend of anime and realistic style. Here is another prompt test on the base models. With Turbo Image, it was hard to get a metal bending deformation on the car hood, but with Z Image Base, I get the exact prompt result. The car hood bends due to the collision. Then, with the Turbo Latent Detailer, the sparks become even more detailed. Look at the tiny sparks. The detail is amazing. Here is another nature scene. With the latent detailer, the sheep's fur looks even more realistic, with tiny hair details. The base image created incomplete thorns on the head. With Turbo Detailer, the face looks more realistic and the crown of thorns is complete. So this workflow creates a normal 20-step base image. Then it upscales and adds detail using the Z Image Turbo model in the latent space. Notice there is no decoded image used for resizing. Finally, SeedVR Upscale is used for native resolution upscaling. I will add this workflow on Patreon. Thank you for watching.